well, I just want to make sure, let them show all three positions of the feed gearbox are working. See the shafts.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Get her an A. Now, up here on the headstock, feed reverse for the shafts there. That's working.
Okay.
And you also have another 2-speed range selector there that are still working there. You just notice we've got a faster speed there on the shafts.
Mm-hmm.
So that's working. Now, longitudinal feed working. Of course, you got to reverse it with the feed handle up on the headstock, but that's working.
Okay.
Cross feed.
Got it.
Working.
Got it.
Now, put it in neutral. I have the lead screw engaged. Our timing gear is turning. Gauge is, you know, the half nut, you know, thread cutting nut is working. Disengage. Here, I'll bring her back. Re-engage it. So your threading half nut mechanism is working.
Okay.
It all works back here on the apron. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell as far as all the electronics and drive motor and gearboxes working on this. I can't vouch for that.